So we have one by Bruce Lawson, Velditech. In November 24, I sent an interop request for all the browser engines to read iOS parental control settings. In March, Apple said, this is a mild engineering effort. We plan to complete by March 2026. The question is 16 months for a mild effort fast enough? So that's one question.
All right, I'm going to do my best to answer this after 2 hours and 45 minutes. So on the first question, like I said, we are working through a number of different requests. Some of those are very simple and we get solutions out very quickly. Others are more complex. When you're talking about parental controls, you're talking about tools that are used to protect children. Those are not tools that we are going to simply rush through and see what happens. There are going to be different standards here in terms of what we're being asked to provide. If we think children are going to be at risk, whether it's through manipulative or deceptive advertising techniques or other things on our platform that puts them at risk, we're going to be very careful about developing those solutions.